Okay, so there is a design trend that instantly makes any website feel sleek, modern and premium. It's called Glassmorphism. Yes, that soft frosted glass effect you see in high-end apps and websites isn't just an eye candy. It's a way to add depth and elegance to your sections. And the good news is, you don't need to mess with custom code, CSS or complicated hacks to make it happen. Yes, you heard it right. With Next blocks, you can create this layered glassy look right inside your editor as easily as dropping in a block, and while you're seeing it coming to life right behind me, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set it up onto your own site. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, now before we dive in, make sure you have installed and activated both the Nextr blocks free and pro versions on your WordPress site. The reason I'm asking for the pro version here is because the Glassmorphism effect is part of Nextr's premium block design experience. And once they are on, the effect gets automatically enabled in the editor by default, so you don't have to tweak any extra settings manually. Now let's get started with applying the Glassmorphism effect to our page. For that, first head over to Pages and click on Add Page. Now go ahead and give your page a name. Just type it in here. Now once your page is ready, click on the plus icon to add a container. Then from there, look into the Style tab and go to the Background section. Now here, we're going to set an image in the background. Click on this plus icon right here and upload or choose the image you want to showcase. I'm selecting this one to keep the vibe modern and vibrant. That's it. And now, once it's added, let's set the position to center and then set the size to cover from the drop down. This makes sure the image fills the entire background neatly without unnecessary gaps or tiling. Now, let's switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll down and give the container some breathing room. Set the padding to 50 pixels from all sides. Once that's done, jump back into the Layout tab, and for height, go ahead and select Fit to Screen. Alright, now for the alignment, click on Flex Properties and under Column Alignment, set it to End. That'll push the content to the bottom of the screen, just like we want. Now, let's move ahead and add the block where we want the Glassmorphism effect to appear. You can actually use any block here, but in this demo, I'm going with an info box block, just to keep things simple. So, click on the plus icon and search for info box. Quick tip, make sure this block is already enabled in your backend before searching. Once it pops up, just click to insert it. Then you'll see two options. You can either design from scratch or use a pre-made template. For now, let's start with designing from scratch, so I can show you how to customize it your way. Alright, once you've done that, let's jump straight up to the magic part. Click on the Advanced tab of this block and open the Background section. Right here, you'll see something called Background Filter, and trust me, this is where Glassmorphism happens. As you can see, the moment we drag this blur slider, this amazing blur effect starts to appear. But before we play around with the rest of the settings, let me quickly go to the Style tab and change the text color to black so it becomes clearly visible above the glassy blur. Now, once you've changed it as well, get back into the Advanced tab and let's check out the remaining settings within the Background Filter option. Alright, watch this. I'm slightly increasing the brightness and reducing the contrast. This brings that glassy, smooth look we're aiming for. And let me tell you, if you also want to add a bit of color, just play around with these saturation sliders. They add a light color effect without losing that clean blur. Alright, once everything's in place and you're happy with your Glassmorphism effect, let's go ahead, open spacing and add a little padding from all sides. I'm doing it just to show you how you can give your content some breathing room. Set! At the moment, as you can see, the whole design looks way sharper now. Everything is readable and blends beautifully with that glassy background. Once it all looks good, that's it. Your Glassmorphism effect is now ready to go live and looking super premium. Click on Publish and done. You've now added a modern interactive design that feels both elegant and on trend. But hey, I know not everyone wants to build from scratch every time. So if you're looking for a quicker solution, let me show you a shortcut. Just a few moments ago, I showed you how to apply the Glassmorphism effect on any element step by step, which is great for learning and getting full control. But let's be real, sometimes you just want a clean professional design without spending too much time on it. So here's the smart way. What if I told you there are many pre-designed templates ready for you? That's right. And the best part? They're polished, they've got the perfect Glassmorphism effect, and they look just like what we built. Plus, they're completely free to use. Now, let me show you how to get them. So giving you a heads up, again, you have to choose any Nexter block. In this video, for your example, I'll search for info box again. And just like we saw earlier, it prompts us with two options, design from scratch and import pre-designed template. This time, we're selecting import pre-designed template. Alright, after that, as visible, you must also be seeing this pop-up saying install WDesignKit. Now, for your info, WDesignKit is a super creative tool that gives you instant access to over 2000 professionally designed templates from single pages to complete site kits, all installable in just one click. So, if you want to build stunning WordPress sites faster than ever, this tool is definitely a must-have. Now, coming back to the tutorial. As you can see, I'm scrolling through and you're seeing many pre-made templates available here. On switching to page 2, there it is, our template with the Glassmorphism effect on it. Now, all you have to do is quickly click the download icon below it and you're all set. With that, we've successfully added the pre-designed section. Now, let me show you how you can make it your own. And yes, everything here is fully editable. So, don't worry, you've got full control. First, let's start with this heading. You can see it's an advanced typography block and you can easily change its text to fit your website. Now, moving ahead, let's talk about the background image here. It's quite obvious that maybe this current image doesn't really match your brand or the mood of your site. So, no worries. Just click on the main container, then head over to the Style tab, and right there in the background section, you'll see the image. You can replace it with any image you like, maybe something more subtle or something that fits your color palette better. Cool. Let's scroll down a bit. See these sections like virus protection software or malware removal tools. Yes, you can change all of this too. Simply click on the info box and update the text to whatever you need. Maybe if you've got a portfolio website, these can be used to put in your job role or your client's experience. And the best part, this entire section is ready to go. And not just editable, it's fully customizable to fit your needs. Alright, now coming to the main part, the Glassmorphism effect. So, let me quickly show you how to tweak it. Head over to the Advanced tab, then open the Background section, and right here, you can see the Background filter option. Now, you know how to make use of it. Just click on this little icon, and boom! Now you can play around with the settings. You can increase the blur, brightness, or adjust the contrast. Whatever feels right. Like for me, I'm just slightly decreasing the brightness and increasing the contrast and saturation. And look at that, it already looks smoother and more modern. And here's the thing, you can apply this same trick anywhere. I showed you a way just for the info box, but this same process can be applied on any other block. Just repeat the steps and it works like magic. Now, if you're enjoying this kind of design tip and want more ideas to make your site look amazing, I've added a link to our newsletter down in the description. So go ahead and subscribe to it. You'll get updates on cool effects like this and more ways to make your website stand out beautifully. Alright, so you've seen how you can create the Glassmorphism effect from scratch and with pre-designed templates. But here's an additional piece of info. Nexter also has its own pre-designed Glassmorphism sections. These aren't available for all blocks. But there are a few demos right now. As visible, there are currently 4. But more will be added in the future. So, if you want to try these out, the link is in the description. So that was it. Today you have learned both ways to create a stunning Glassmorphism effect for your WordPress site. That is, whether you are building it from scratch for full control or using the pre-designed sections to save time, you now have the tools to make your design look sleek, modern and premium. So if this was helpful, don't forget to like and stick around for more such smart time-saving design tips just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep learning.